My name is Ray Kyle and I'm studying Cert 3 in carpentry. Hands-on work was more my forte than being behind an office job. I've always been really good hands-on visually. I haven't been the best at academics. My way of learning is through my body. I'm able to be a lot more hands-on and I'm good at observing and copying. I'm doing my adult apprenticeship right now. I've jumped from performing to working in the mines to building bike trails and all that kind of thing. Try things and find out what you really enjoy. And I'm very lucky that I've found a couple of careers that I've really enjoyed through my lifetime. Teachers here are really good with, showing different avenues for me to learn. They're able to throw different kind of ideas at me to go, this is a different way of thinking, this is a different way of how to do it, and then I'm able to pick up that way and understand it a lot more clearly. So I really do enjoy the way that they teach and share their knowledge. This has just been, I'd say, a blessing for me to find a job that I've actually really enjoyed and want to excel at, because not many people find that in their lifetime, so I'm glad that I've found that. I've worked with a lot of Indigenous kids and I just want to share with them that no matter your background and where you come from and the difficulties you have in your schooling career and your life, you're still able to create a good life. I just want to be that stepping stone to go, hey, I've done this and this and this, look at my resume, and you don't have to shun away from things that you think are too hard. If you try and try, you'll always succeed if you put your mind to it. That's what I've done. This big boom of housing really helping South Australia, having more carpenters to help create homes for other people and develop new areas. TAFE has been a godsend to me, really, just to help me progress in the careers that I've really wanted to move forward in.